Hi, I'm Giuliano De Luca. In this video I'll talk about the property pane in the client web part. Normally we have seen many many sample with only a text field in the property pane. But in the real life we need of more complex scenarios because the business requirements probably are complex. Then I'll show you my web part. I executed a command gulp serve, and I have my all property types web part. So this is my property pane. I have here the name. This is a normal text field. This is a multi-line text field. I am an Office 365 fan. This is a drop-down. I love too much Office 365. And here I have a choice group. My preferred hero is Captain America. And this is an interesting control. When we have many properties, we can split these properties in more pages. And I defined here 3 pages. Here I have a normal checkbox property, a toggle button. Here I can specify my level of satisfaction, and my preferred software is OneNote. This is another interesting control. As is a choice group, but I specified the width and height and the icon. And this is another link property field. In the last page we have another kind of approach to handle many properties in the property pane. We can do also with an accordion here. This is really cool. Okay, but how we can implement these properties in the code? So we can take a look, and first of all is necessary to do the import of all types property, and these are contained out of the box in the sp-webpart-base module. And after that we can design our pane in the get property pane configuration. We have the pages, and I define the header, groups. Here I used a label, but later we will see this aspect. And here I defined my text field name, my multi-line text field bio, and so on, drop down, choice group. And how I can implement the paging, the property pane? That's really simple. In the page we have to use this kind of structure. We need to define the header, groups, and so on. Then I defined here another header and groups of property, and the last page is here, header. So this means that it's really simple reproduce the paging in the property pane. It's necessary only to specify this structure. Okay, we have to do the same thing also in the component. We have to define the properties in the props web part file, and the same thing in the component. We need to do the import of the prop types file. Here I have also all my property types, and in my component I can call the properties with these props. In this way I'm able to render the component into the DOM. The last important thing, we have an interesting feature. We can handle the multi-language and the localization in our web part. In myString file, we can define the old property, okay, and after that we can specify a value for this property, okay. I have done this for the English United States language, and this means that we can do the same for the other language, Italian, German, French, and so on. This is really simple. Call the label, and in this way your web part is totally support the multi-language. That's all. I hope that this video has been useful for you, and thanks for watching me, and enjoy Office 365.